Hey, hi everyone. So in this video we will see how to set up a environment on Apple Silicon, so Mac with the Apple Silicon. So uh, you might want to run x86 architecture Windows or on your Mac. So for that we need a virtualization solution. So we will go with the open source Oracle Virtualbox. So this is available for Windows, Mac. So macOS Intel host and macOS, so we have to use the Apple Silicon, as this is Apple Silicon are like ARM 64, so other versions will not work, so you have to choose that. So we can download the package from here. Let's see. So the flexibility is like a VirtualBox will provide a uniform environment across the, it will the similar interface. Okay, sorry. So this is the installer window. Let's say install for all computer. Install. Okay, so install is successful. Yeah, we can. So now we have the VirtualBox downloaded. We can start that. Yeah. So now in next tutorial we will see how to create a VM and how to set up that.